did you know that this is just the beginning of AI? So why not take advantage of it and get what you can out of it while this is the beginning? I'm actually doing an entire series where AI can help you with your affiliate marketing. So you're going to want to be sure to smash that subscribe button and ring the bell. That way you don't miss any of the videos that I have coming up that has to do with AI and affiliate marketing. I mean, I'm totally teaching you all of the tips and tricks that nobody else is going to do. So what are you waiting for? Listen, if you're wanting to work at home, start your own business, or simply just start a side hustle where you can create money on the side, then this is going to be the perfect starting point for you. Now, I do always say that you can't just simply push a button and money come flying out your butt. But when it comes to one of the easiest ways, I would say this would be it. Because the bot is actually going to do all of the heavy lifting for you. But yes, you will have to do your part. Of course, I'm going to be able to show you how to do this step by step. So make sure you follow along. And if you're wondering if it matters where you live, nope, this is worldwide. And I'm going to show you an offer that I'm going to use that is worldwide. And it's totally going to blow your mind. All right, let's not waste any more time. Let's just jump into this video. What do you say? Okay, now first, before I teach you how to do anything with AI, we have to have an offer, right? Okay, I usually show you where you can go into ClickBank, and some places won't allow ClickBank, so then I'll use digistore.com. Now, if you want to know exactly how you can use those two websites, I have tons of videos that shows you exactly how to do that. And you can still go there, grab an offer, and come back right here. Or you can use the offer that I'm fixing to show you. Now, recently, I have found an offer that is the Home Business Academy. It's called HBA. Now, I want to start, instead of just always sending you to ClickBank, I want to show you some real, I call them private offers. And most of the time, if you can find these private offers, they're going to pay you more money, and it's not on a website like ClickBank where everybody is out there grabbing them. So this is one that I chose because anybody can do it. It's like the cheapest, easiest thing that you could do that's online, to be honest with you. So just so you can know a little bit about it, because we're going to use this in the example. It's the Home Business Academy. It's literally, I call it the 25 all-in-one because it's $25. It includes a funnel builder, and of course, like, they teach you how to do it, and they have videos step by step for $25. Ah! Yeah, I know. So it's kind of a no-brainer. So it's going to make a really good offer, and it pays 80% commission, which you would think, like, I mean, that's unheard of. I checked it out. I'm in it. I figured it would just be some stupid thing that's not true. Now, it does. I wanted to show you this. It does have where you can go into premium, and a lot of people, like on the initial video, misunderstand what it says, because basically it's saying that if you go to premium, then, you know, other people that sign up underneath you that's premium, they're going to be paying $125, which means you get $100 because you get paid 80%. But you do not have to. A lot of people say, oh, but you have to pay the $100. No, you don't. You just have to pay $25. The premium is to go above and beyond. If you want to do that, you can. And this is just an example. That's why I got on this page. For example, if you just sold have people sign up that as 5 people for the $20, you know, you have 100. If they sign up for the premium, then that's, you know, 500, and then they have the combo. But this is a really good to show you exactly, to give you an idea about how much money you make. There's a lot of people that wants to get into a high ticket thing that's elite that I promote, but they can't afford it. And so I actually personally, just to let you know, I found this so they can start off, and then when they earn that amount, then they'll be able to then get into the more elite program. But to start off, this is really good, and it's step by step, and the people that do it are legit and they know how to teach. So I'm going to use this offer. Oh, and if you were interested in it, in order to promote it, you have to be in it. But so it's going to be, I'll put it the first link in the description. Now, so we are going to use this offer and rytr.me. We're going to use, this is going to be the AI bot we're going to use. Now, stop, because we have to have this. Don't worry, I'm going to show you how you can do it for free. There's a link that's down in the description. Go ahead, go sign up. You literally just click on Start Writing, and you can continue with Google, continue with Facebook, LinkedIn, or email. I don't remember because I'm already in it. You might have to be sent an email, but go ahead and sign up and then come back and meet me right here.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Are you back? Okay, let's go. Okay, I wanted to see more, so I went over here and I just did 2 variants. Okay, this is very helpful. Okay, now leave that here, and then you're gonna go over here to Canva. Okay, we're gonna do PDF. Okay, I think mine is the paid version, which if you want the paid version, it's like, I don't know, $10 a month. But you don't have to have it, just find one that's free. Money hacks. Money. Okay. Money hacks. I want one. Okay, then add a page. And then we already have the hard part done for us. So I'm gonna go back over here. And then just copy and paste. Let's do that. Insert picture, a page. Go over here. There's the white. Okay, tips, add a page. Go back over here. And you might not even need everything that you have on your page, but it's always okay to have a little bit more, so then you can pick and choose from it. Don't overcomplicate it. Okay. Canva's white. Okay. I should have looked on each page to make it the right size. This is the big one. Okay, another picture. See how that looks kind of inviting? Is that another page? Copy. Okay, you're probably thinking that's not a lot to it, but that's really important. Okay, go this one. Change it back to white. The pictures kind of just help make it not so like boring. This one. Go back. Okay, see, I fit both. Same page. Almost too much in white. Kind of a match. One of these sides, find out that color. Okay, bring it over here. Okay, on this page where it says there are many ways to get started with an affiliate, let's go here, link. Okay, let's put our link in. And then that does it like it's a hyperlink. It's going to take us to our offer. Okay, let's do it this one. Okay, so we did it. We have it in there twice. You can put it in there more than twice if you want. See, I think that looks good. Then you literally just go over here to the corner. Hey, if you're liking this, do me a favor. It's gonna help me. It's gonna help other people to learn to see this, to share. If you think this could help someone else, to share the video and then like it for me. Thanks. Okay, when we're all done with the PDF, you're gonna go over here to share. Okay, when we go down here and we wanna save it, make sure you do PDF standard. Okay, I have 8 pages. All 8 pages. Make sure you select all 8 pages. Done. Download. Now, if you're wondering, where are we going to be able to put this? I have some free traffic for you. Okay. One of my favorite places is slideshare.net. So on here, if you haven't signed up, it's easy. You can sign up. I think you can sign up even with Google. And what you get in, if you go up here to upload and select the document. Okay, select your document, verify you're not a robot. Okay, and then as your description, let's talk about affiliate marketing tips and tricks to help you. Category, I always try to find marketing. Tags, affiliate marketing. And then I'll try to find digital marketing. I like that marketing digital. Let's actually try affiliate marketing tips. Okay, you get it, right? Okay, and then make sure everything looks okay. Publish. Awesome, you're all done. And then if you want, you can go ahead and you can take the URL and put it to Facebook, Instagram, stuff like that. So if you were to look on singularweb.com, you can see that it has around 244 million visitors. And that was just from September to November. Now I found another site that I'm not exactly as familiar with, but it's called calamio.com. And I could be saying that wrong. Now it does have 41 million. So I figured it was worth a look. And on it, you can sign up clearly with Facebook, Google. Just sign up. As soon as you sign in, then it'll ask you, like an area like marketing, or just put you're just looking for viewers. You're just looking for viewers. Now, this is the first time that I had heard of it, and so I looked it up. I went ahead and I uploaded a PDF that I had previously done. It was actually in a video, because this is new to me. The site's new to me, but you could check it out. And if you were to sign into it, you have your dashboard, publications, favorites, settings, and in the features, it has analytics. It has some stuff that you could look into that looks like as if it could be kind of cool. But for the purpose of what we want, you could go up here to publish and select our file. And for the description, let's do affiliate marketing tips and tricks. And simply, let's just publish. So see, I'm testing this out myself. So this will be the second one that I have up there. You know, if you already have it, might as well. I mean, it took me like 3 minutes to actually, from even signing in and putting it up there. So you might try it out. So there's one more other thing I wanted to show you for it. And I mean, you already have your PDF created. You know, all you have to do is answer questions. So if there's someone that's asking about tips and tricks that has to do with affiliate marketing, you can still use the PDF you have saved. Now you could use it that's on one of these like SlideShare, and you can share it on here, or you can simply just use the actual information, or you can use the PDF that you have saved and implement it to answer questions that's on Quora. All right, friends, hopefully you found this beneficial, and I tried to make it where it was easy. So you had AI do the work for you. I helped you find traffic that you don't have to worry about finding traffic because the people are going to look for it. And then, of course, if you wanted to go ahead and put your stuff on social media, then you can go ahead and you could put what you created on social media as well. You can put it into a short, to a YouTube video. You can put it into a blog. I mean, you can literally take content and go, blah! But do me a favor, if you did like this or get at least anything out of it, give me a thumbs up. And also, I created a similar video that isn't so pretty, but it has to do with the PDF, and it's just copy and paste and utilize an AI if you were smart. So I'll go ahead and I'll put it up next. And if you liked this one, then something tells me that you're gonna like that one too. And guess what? I'm in it. So I'll see you in there.